Hi. Hi you guys, welcome to my cooking channel. Chef P in the kitchen. So you know, I just been cooking recently and everyone's like, ooh, I want to, what's your recipe? Give me your recipe, blah blah blah, show me how to cook. And I'm like, okay, so I'll just make a random video. But tonight I'm not gonna make salmon again because salmon is expensive as hell. Can you stop? Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna do the sauce. I'm gonna make the sauce that I made last night. I'm so awkward. First step, make sure you wash your hand first because you don't want them germs and corona around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the asparagus. Okay, babe? I have some extra virgin olive oil. So I just spread it all around on my asparagus. Oh shit, I took it. Okay. But anyways, a lot is good. So I just spread that around and then I put some black pepper. Oops, fuck that. I'll pick it up later. And salt. And then I just preheat the oven to 350 and put the asparagus in the oven for 20 minutes, okay? So I have the shrimp right here. I washed the shrimp. It was frozen, so I washed it as well. Jeez. I can never take a break. What I'm gonna do is add some good old bay. He's my old bay, okay? I'm gonna always use him. Then I put some salt. And then black pepper. So here comes Eugene, he wants to spread it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that's good. Good job. Oh Lord. Okay, do it. Oh, good job. Yay! Ooh, 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 ooh. There's never enough flavor. Okay, that's good. I have the stove on for medium high. I'm gonna add some olive oil to it. Oh shoot, let me get a spoon. Okay. So let that heat up for a little bit. Don't touch that. Okay. Okay. Then I just flip it to the other side. It's a little cooked. I just set it to the side. Set aside the shrimp. I throw in 3 pieces of butter and let it melt. I'm gonna throw 2 handfuls of onions, chopped onions. Let that sit in for about 3 minutes. Let it cook for 3 minutes. Stir that. So after 3 minutes, I throw in a Sutter Home moscato. I got this from Publix. They have like little bottles. They have 4 bottles in each little packet. So, and I'm gonna use half of it because I'm not trying to get drunk tonight, you know. But yeah, I'm just throw that in there. Okay. And then you guys can drink the rest of it. So after I let it sit, I'm gonna put about 1/3 of heavy cream. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. little bit of flour, like a teaspoon of flour, because, you know, I like my sauce. Shush. I like my sauce thick. So if you want to make it thicker, you can just add like flour or cornstarch. Yes. No, stay over there. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of Parmesan cheese in it as well, just to make a little cheese kick to it and make it a little bit thicker as well. Oops, shit! I just like sprinkled it all over the place. Yeah, baby. That's how the sauce should look like. A little bit creamy and thick. And then that's when we throw the shrimp right in. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And then just let that, just stir it on that. And then I just add in the parsley.
You, mommy, I'm going to help you.
And that's what makes it look better. So now I just do like a scoop of mashed potatoes. Oh my gosh, why does that look so good? And like it's like the perfect texture. You know, I'm fast, so I'm gonna do another scoop. Or whatever. Okay. And then I'm gonna add like some asparagus right on top. And then I'm gonna add the sauce. The sauce with the shrimp on it. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Yos. And there you go, your dinner. That's it for my little cooking show. So this sauce is kind of like gravy for, you know, anything basically, like your salmon, your chicken, even for the mashed potatoes. You know, it's so good. So I hope you guys try it and let me know how you like it. And thank you for watching. Oh my god, it's so freaking good.
Tap, tap, tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Fuck a nigga, get rich, bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. MLB, icy gang, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in.